1935 Ford. I don't understand what model that is though. It says I'll put it over convertible SON, gets abbreviated convertible. I don't know. Oh, convertible sedan. That's what that is. SDN. I thought it was SON. You got the original flathead motor, convertible sedan. That's what he's got. So what does that mean? So the top comes down and you got 4 doors. That's what that means. That's cool. That's cool. Hey, yeah, you got your cooler back here. Oh wow. Yeah, convertible sedan. I was like, what does that say, man? I thought that was one word or something, and I realized it said SON, SDN, sedan. So the whole top comes down, and you got your 4 doors. Real open air buggy, man, for sure. Real wire wheels, true wire wheels, real.